Hi everyone, Mrs. Anderson here. So some thoughts about lesson 6. So now you're starting a new unit. That doesn't mean you're not going to use the things that you learned last unit. You definitely will. But this lesson is all about solving equations. So this is really setting a really good foundation for what we're going to do for the rest of the course. So make sure you take the time to learn each step of these equations. They're going to start out with easier ones and then build and build and build. So take the time to learn each individual part of the lesson so that you do well on the next part of the lesson. And also in lesson 6, you have a project. So the projects in this course are broken up into smaller pieces. So make sure that you watch that very first video before you had your first project, the first part of your project. There was a video on how to do the project. So make sure you watch that video. The reason the video is there is to help you do well on the project. So always watch those videos. And then just take your time on the project and answer the questions thoroughly. Usually at the end of the project, there's 2 questions where you have to write out answers like, which problem do you think was the hardest? Or which one do you think is the easiest? It's like an opinion question. If you take the time to actually write out a nice answer, you will get the points. Don't just write, I don't know, because then I can't give you points for that. So take the time to answer those short answer questions thoroughly so that you can get all the points for that project. So those are my thoughts for lesson 6.